You're the one your institution turns to when learning has to work, in the room and on screen at the same time. The brief has changed. Hybrid is permanent, not a workaround. Students expect the same quality whether they're in the room or on the other side of the world. Your institution has a 5-year AV roadmap and technology that moved on into. See what's actually been deployed in environments like yours before you commit. At InfoComm Asia, you walk the floor and see them working. Immersive classroom setups, AI-powered auto-framing for hybrid lectures, collaborative display systems, campus-wide digital signage, distributed audio for large lecture halls, a V over IP infrastructure that scales across buildings. Hands-on, side by side, with the engineers who built them and the integrators who've deployed them in campuses like yours. And the people you'll meet are solving what you're solving. Other campus AV leads, IT directors who've run the same hybrid rollout, system integrators who've delivered for universities across the region. Your AV decisions for the next academic intake get made this year. The infrastructure you specify now is what your students and lecturers live with in 2027. See it before you spec it. Decide with confidence.